Listen, I'm not going to pretend like an expert here because honestly, I'm just starting out on my YouTube journey. But you know what? One thing I've learned so far is that scripting your videos properly can actually save you from a lot of awkward pauses, a lot of what was I saying again moments. If you're a beginner like me and you want your videos to flow smoothly without struggling with words, let's figure this scripting thing out together. Hey there, if you're new here, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith Nwoko and I'm documenting my journey as a new YouTuber, sharing everything that I've learned along the way so you don't make the same mistakes that I made. Today we're talking about how to write the perfect YouTube script that keeps your audience engaged, helps you stay confident on camera, and makes editing easier. There are 4 key sections you need to keep your scripts engaging. The first thing is to hook your audience. You know how people screw past videos in 10 seconds, right? We don't want that happening to us. The first 10 seconds of your video should grab attention. For example, instead of starting with, "Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, my name is Faith." No. Why not go straight to the point? Try jumping into an interesting statement your audience can relate to. For example, "Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith Nwoko, and in today's video we are talking about how to script your YouTube video." Don't do this. Guys, I used to struggle with awkward pauses until I started scripting my videos properly. And here in today's video, I'm going to show you how to script your video. You see the difference? The first one was boring and the second one was engaging and straight to the point. After the hook, introduce yourself and let the people know why they should keep watching you. Keep it short, no long stories. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to script your YouTube videos. And do this. Today we're talking about how to write the perfect YouTube script that keeps your audience engaged. The third key here is your main content. Now, your main content is where the magic happens. Structure your points clearly so your audience can relate and they can follow up. You can use a step-by-step format like this video you're watching right now. Okay, you illustrate showing examples of what you're talking about. Then the next format you can use is the list format. For example, 5 mistakes YouTubers make. Another format you can use is the storytelling format, where you can use personal experiences to narrate to your audience what you are talking about. Alright, so they can follow up. The fourth key is your call to action. Before you end your videos, always tell your audience what to do next. If you don't, they will just leave. Ask them to subscribe, like, and watch another video. And please don't just say like and subscribe to my video. Give them a reason why they should. For example, tell them that if they enjoy the video, they should give you a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly YouTube tips like this. So there you have it. This is how I script my YouTube videos as a beginner. If this helped you, let me know in the comments. And if you haven't liked this video, please do and subscribe for more YouTube growth tips. And if you are a new YouTuber, we are in this together. Let's learn and grow. Don't forget to check out my next video on how to write a script using ChatGPT. And please turn on the notification bell so you can get notified each time I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.